Hello, welcome to Tamara's garden. Today I'm going to show you about how to make a money plant bushy. This plant is growing so well. See the beautiful leaves of the pothos. I have two varieties growing in one basket. So this is actually was hanging. Today I took it out to make it little bit bushy. So we'll see how we are going to do that. So before we start, I will give you some information about pothos. So this plant, money plants are not that picky about anything, but nutrient rich soil you can provide. And also this plant doesn't like bright sunlight. They can tolerate the medium low light, and they will grow very nicely, and the leaves will be also very big and healthy. See that you provide nutrient-rich soil to it, some compost mix soil, sandy soil. And also when it comes to watering, always check before you give it water. Don't overdo watering because it might get root rot. So those are the basic things about the money plant. And please check my channel for other videos I have done on this beautiful plant. So let's see how we are going to make this plant so bushy. When this plant develops like a stem like this, you can take it round like this and take a hairpin. I'm using a hairpin here, and you can tuck it in like this from the root and tuck it inside the pot so that they will grow as another plant and it will make the plant so bushy. Okay. To make it more clear, now see from here you can see these roots appearing. You can put it inside the pot, and pin it from closer to the root. Okay, so now here I am taking another pin and going to pin it from here. Be very mindful not to break the branches. So pin it to the soil so that the leaves will get so bushy and new plants will come. So the final look of this plant is like this, as you can see. So always let it grow first, and from the stem you can start make the plant bushy. So I left the middle part like this because there are baby plants are appearing, see. So let it grow. After it grows, you can do the same thing again if you want to make your plant so bushy and healthy. So water it at the right time. Give it some natural fertilizer and compost. You can try milk and water fertilizer. It's best for these money plants. And give it moderate sunlight. Indirect, medium to low sunlight will do. This is beautiful as an indoor plant too. So try it out and let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I will come back with another video. See you soon. Bye.